right. I've given you the graph of f of x equals 2 times 3 to the x. So this is now it's in f of x notation. It's connected. We call it continuous. It's got any possible input. But our question is it a function, why or why not? So we said in order to be a function, for any one input, you get exactly one output. There's also something called the vertical line test, which you may have seen earlier this year, which means if you draw a vertical line anywhere on this graph and it only intersects our curve one time, then it is a function. So if I were to draw a bunch of vertical lines on here, as long as those vertical lines only intersect the curve one time, it's going to be a function. But I can tell also because if I pick any number and plug it in as an input, I'm only going to get one output. So yes, it is a function because for each input, there is exactly one output.